How to change your Facebook name. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name in just few easy steps. Whether you have a recent name change or want to use a new nickname, I got you covered. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, make sure you have the Facebook app installed and that you are logged in your account. This works both for Android, iPhone as well as computer. So let's start with the mobile version. Once you are in the Facebook interface, simply tap on the three dash icon shown on the top right corner. After that, tap on the gear icon or setting icon on the top right corner. Once you are in the settings and privacy, simply tap on the account center. After that, you will see a different options from which you have to simply tap on profile. Now tap on your name. Here you can edit your first name, last name, or even add a middle name if you want to add. Once you have entered the new name, simply tap on Review Change. After that, Facebook will show you a preview of how your name will look. Choose the format you prefer and then tap on Save Changes. And that's it. Your new name is now updated. But remember, Facebook has some rules for name changes. You can't use special characters, unusual capitalization, or symbols. And you can't change your name again for 60 days after changing it. I'm sure you are happy with your choice. And that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.